All right, I don't know if y'all can see pretty good or not. I hope so, but yeah, y'all can see. This is the rust hole, as y'all can see here, brown. It's black now because we sprayed it with this shit. I'm gonna run through all the products that I got real quick because I did that in the intro that I recorded, but again, that shit wasn't in the right orientation. So we got 2 of these 22 gauge sheet metals from not AutoZone, from Home Depot, $12.97 I think. Poop ass wire brush, should've got the heavy duty one. This was like $6. JB Weld, steel reinforced epoxy was like $7. These fucking aviator snips for the sheet metal to cut the sheet metal was like $15. This joint was like $8, and that's pretty much all we're using. So yeah, hold on. The other one's out here. I had to take my whole seat out for this shit. This is the sheet metal that I already cut. It's rough cut. I don't really give a fuck. I just want the fucking rust hole patched up so you can't really tell it was a rust hole back this bit so it can pass inspection. I banged out all the loose rust, and then all like the stronger pieces of metal that still had rust on it, I just bent it upwards to have a little more support for this to sit there and shit like that. And of course I sprayed it with the rubber shit, so that's gonna stop the rust as well as coat that, you know. So that's pretty much that. Look at this. Fuck. Hold on. I got a stick. Hell yeah. Keep the stick. Let's keep this shit too. Twist to remove this bit. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Me and this bitch weapon. Definitely should have got 3 of these. Rub it all on there on the spot though. Get it all in there again. You got about like 5 minutes to apply this shit. I think it's it. I don't know. Who knows, gang? It's my first time doing some shit like this. No, that's it. Damn, we should have got 2 of these motherfuckers, boy. No, I do got. Fuck. I forgot I had to grab something to like sit on top of this shit so this shit can dry. I think I got some in the trunk though. Might use the car jack for it. I'll mix all this shit together. This is what you want it to look like. It come out like black and like a whitish gray. You want to mix it together till it's like a pencil graphite gray or whatever. Let me go a little lighter so I can make sure we got enough of this shit to go around, bro. But oh well. Push this shit down.
I love part 2.
Yeah. Well, we might be fucked, Chad. Hold on. Oh no, it's sticking though. Oh, okay.
You made this?
You might not be fucked. You might be cool.
I love part 2.
Hold it. I'm gonna get something. Hold on. I got this crowbar shit. We can use this on top of this. Cool beans. I should have got 2 of these. I definitely should have got 2 of these in JB Weld. And I don't even got a fucking thread yet. And fuck. Hold on, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm falling. This is a piece of rust, gang. That had to cut that bitch off, bro, because it wouldn't come off with the wire brush. Like, that's fucking lying. And then this, I don't know what the fuck this is, but it goes in this hole down here, so I guess we'll put it in down there. All right, this is a closer look. I'm definitely gonna have to grab some more JB Weld, or just run to go grab like a type of sealant that I can seal around like the edges of this shit. Because, whoa, I don't think that little bit of ass JB Weld is gonna hold. And you know, like some silicone type, I gotta ask ChatGPT a question, gang. I don't know if that'll work or not, but since it's back here in the back, it's not near no heat, doesn't get hot back here. I think some silicone should actually fucking work. Or to figure out what the fuck this shit is that was already on here, we can grab some of that and put that on there. Fuck, I just glued that thing back on off camera because I'm kind of in a rush right now. It's currently like 4 something, and it starts getting dark around 5, and I low-key need the daylight in my favor right now. And plus, we gotta go pick up some more JB Weld shit, this putty, so I can cover up that little hole, put the putty on the corner so we have strength, and then the silicone sealant to put underneath these cracks. So that way I know this bitch ain't going nowhere. And then I'm gonna paint it again with the rubber sealant. put everything back together, and then we should be done for today, bro, gang. I'ma just leave the underside how it is, and just spray that rubber shit under there too as well. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Wally World, gang. I need 2 of these joints. Bam. And 2 of these. And we out of here. So let's go. All right, gangies. Fuck. $28 and some change later. We're back. Finally. Fuck. Let me show you what the hell I got real quick. Let me get this fucking seat out the way. So first things first, we got clear adhesive, silicone RTV, general purpose adhesive, interior, exterior use, seals and insulates, weather resistant shit. Long story short, we got 2 of these bad bitches. Fuck my boy. Rip this shit open like Christmas. As I said, we got 2 of them bad bitches. And then we got JB Weld Steel Stick. Basically, it's easy to use, work on multiple surfaces, steel, iron, stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, all that good shit. Automotive and machine parts, fuel tanks, exhaust systems, plumbing, you get the fucking message, gang. We got 2 of these as well. These are gonna go on the edge of the sheet metal and cover up that hole. If I have enough, I'm gonna use it to make the underside look pretty too. But yeah, oh, you can't forget, we got gloves too, because JB Weld requires us to wear fucking gloves to need that dumbass putty shit. So let me get this dumbass seat out the way, take a sip of my drink, and we gonna get started, gang. You feel me? Because now I gotta be super fucking fast, because not only is it getting fucking dark, my phone's on 44%. So how about them echoes, gang? And then this shit right here, you think this was the pain in the ass to do? This is gonna be a pain in the ass to put this shit back in the right fucking way. How about it? Let's see if this is a bit strong or whatnot. Yeah, I'm fucking with it because I'm gonna fix it any fucking way. Nah, it's fucking moving as I fucking thought. Crazy. Hold on. Ah, refreshing, game, goddamn. Yeah, into this shit. So you gotta mix this shit too. How about it? We got 5 minutes, by the way, not to do this shit, but after we need this shit, get this shit all mixed in nice and right, nice and pretty. This shit stink. We got 5 minutes for it to fucking dry. So this is what this shit look like. This shit smells like ass. No bullshit. This shit stink. But I'm trying to save money, bro. The goal and the whole purpose of this shit isn't really to make this shit look pretty. It's just to make this shit look decent enough to pass respect. So that's there. It takes 5 minutes for that shit to dry. So in the meantime, we're gonna move on to one of these shit right here. Fuck, my brethren. Moving to one of these joints now. Fuck. This kind of a big ass tube, so this might be the lifesaver of the whole video for real. This shit, you might be able to do this shit with this shit. But you know, puncture that shit. I did have to cut up my fucking carpet to do this shit out of the way, so definitely know how to get floor mats for that, next. How the fuck? Why do they do this shit? Where the fuck that blade at? Nah, fuck the blade. We got these joints. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Now we're gonna add this.
Rango, you made this?
Why is it coming out like this, bro? Add this. That's like a sealant underneath this bit.
Rango, you made
Hold
this?
on, bro. Let me lift this shit up a little bit.
Part two.
I don't care for this shit. What? I think that's a lot of shit. I'm gonna move with this stick. It's not like I said. I know this shit's not supposed to be coming out. Oh, you got this shit. It's not supposed to be coming out. Let me remind you, motherfuckers, this is my first time doing this shit. First time, by the way. First time. Give me one of them kind of thinking. Let me cut this shit again, because this shit coming out too slow. There we go. Let me run that shit, brother. I probably got more than just 2 of these stuff. Whole lot of smells going on in this bitch. A lot of smells going on in this bitch. I gotta get out of this motherfucker like this so I can fucking breathe. Alright, this is what she looking like so far. It's pretty sturdy. It is messy as shit, but as you can see, like, going like this, that's just not moving nowhere. Not going nowhere. This hardened already. It does take 5 minutes. This one's still hard, and it's gonna give it a couple more minutes on that. But basically, next I'm finna do is I'm finna add some more of that silicone adhesive on here. I'm gonna put this piece of metal, not that way, the rough side facing that way, away from the wires over here. I'm gonna just place it on top of that just in case, just add some, you know, extra support, because as you can see, the putty like caved in on itself right in there, and that's where that hole is. So just wanna make sure there's no air coming through there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Yo, I'm about to cut, you know, some of this excess metal off and shit, but I just want to show y'all underneath. This is underneath, and this is that, hold on. Right there is that putty. It's right here. That shit hard as a rock, bro, in 5 minutes. So I should have got more of this. So what I'm gonna do is, pretty much, I'm trying to hold the phone with one hand and do this shit. Get rid of this extra metal there, that extra metal there, this extra metal here, this extra metal here. I'm gonna cut it underneath here with the wire brush, the poop ass wire brush, and then some sandpaper just to get this a little bit smooth. And then what I'm gonna do is, just for right now, I'm gonna paint it the black rubberized coating so it doesn't get rusty. That bit's solid, boy. Quick look underneath this bit. This is how she's gonna sit for right now. I'm pretty sure it should pass inspection, even though it looks raggedy as shit. There's something cover it. There's no hose. There's no air getting in. We're good to go. Let this shit dry. While it dries, we're gonna clean up this fucking mess. And we're fucking done again, dude.
Part two.
A lot of fumes in this bitch, though, I'll tell you that. Let that dry. Spray that one a little bit. We'll do a little first little coat. Man, fuck it. First spray down. Let's see what she look like in the inside. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's get out. So I'm trying to get a thumbnail of this and put this in the corner. Hell yeah, boy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put all the seats and shit back and the covers, and then I'll do the outro, and then we gonna get this bitch edited for y'all. All right, cuz, we got the seat back in, as well as the floor. I did tell y'all I had to cut the floor mat out just to make shit a little more easier, so it does look a little more raggedy back this bitch, but other than that, we got it. She's still solid, so I'm about to finish throwing all this shit in the trash. About to go to sheets, give me some grub, and I'll come back and edit so this video can be out tonight. Hope y'all enjoyed this, John, and I got a whole lot more videos coming for y'all with other shit, and yeah, until then, stay tuned, cuz. Run that shit out, 5 likes, you hear me? Still says.